Friends, in this video, I am going to teach you how to calculate area of polygon features. You can see in the ArcGIS interface, I have two shapefiles. One is village boundary and another one is survey or gut boundaries. We can calculate the area of any polygon features in ArcGIS. To calculate the area, go to your file, right click over there, click on open attribute table. Once attribute table get opened here, go to the table options, click on add field and give the name for your field. I want to calculate the area, so I typed here the column field name as an area and type should be double, so select double and click on OK button. Once you click on OK, the area field get added automatically here. Select the field, right click over there and click on calculate geometry. Here you can select the unit as you want or as per your requirements. Here I am selecting the hectares and click on OK. The area of whole village is 275 hectare. Similarly, we can calculate the area of another shapefile also, that is survey or gut boundary of that particular village. So you have to follow the same process. Right click on the shapefile, click on open attribute table, go to the table options, just add field, type here the field name area, select the type as a double, click on OK button. Select the field, right click on that field, calculate geometry and select the unit whatever you want. Hectare, square meter, square kilometers, whatever you want, you can click over there and just click on OK button. If you want to minimize or remove the digits, you can go to the properties by right clicking on that field, properties, go to the numeric. Don't change over anything over here, just change the digits at this place, as you can type 2 apply and OK. The digits will get minimized. I hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share